Morning, brother. Wow, you're always the first one, huh? Nice, nice, nice. One moment, huh? Wow, Rick, my champion student. Oh, you are always very early though. Okay, lah, very, very hardworking. I like it. Actually, just now I was thinking, like, I want to short Meta or not. Meta looks quite good to short though. Let's see, what we have. Yeah, today I think might be quite a boring day because a lot of stock only got one straight line going down, no pullback, no nothing. And then our Palantir short, we might need to close off either today, if not Monday. Monday, we have to close it off already before the market close. Yes, I know, Rick. Yeah, sometimes you also have to go enjoy, go Khao Lui, you know. Okay lah, today yes, correct. A lot of stocks they are flying down in one straight line. That's the thing. When they come down in one straight line, we don't know whether it will bounce up as one straight line or it will consolidate, and then after that it will go even lower. So we don't know which one will happen. That's why it's better to wait. Mastercard looks very good for a shot though. Really super awesome this setup. Okay, maybe let me write it down. Number one, Mastercard. But then we have to be a bit more careful for our Palantir. Palantir Monday got earnings. The consumer defensive are stronger. They don't have much movement though. You see, MRK is a very, very good example. You see over here, you have a huge spike to the upside. After that, no consolidation, spike down, no consolidation, spike up, no consolidation, spike down again. So you have no idea what is it doing over here. So same thing like our market. Lifeline. So right now is exactly the same condition as our market condition. We don't have a nice setup though. That's the thing. Only the consumer defensive, they are looking a lot better. Usually, when the market hang, sometimes the consumer defensive, they do very, very well. UNH, bye bye lo, Tan. GG liao. Wow, today a lot of people, ask me about UNH. Really a lot. I tell everyone, if UNH really cannot perform, maybe possible can go to about 200 to 20 there. Yeah, today I'm half, 75% drained now. Today I keep replying message. A lot of people, from TikTok, from WhatsApp, spam me like crazy because the market starts to tank. And I keep reply until I'm going crazy. Oh yo, this arm came down so fast. One day only. Oh, earnings. Okay. Tan Tan, are you in UNH or not? Modena also going down. UAL not done yet. DAL also not done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You might slowly buy some. Okay, okay. Okay, I think you are in a good start. A lot better than, those that message me. Those that texted me, I want to go crazy. Mara. Okay, today I really don't think that I have much. I don't think I have a lot of setup though. Sounds good, Tan Tan. Your plan sounds like not bad. I do think that UNH likely will get at least some relief rally soon if it wants to go down even more. 250, 240, possible for a relief rally. AMC nothing. Okay, I'll scan the bottom of my watch list and see how are they performing. Oh, I need to add Figma. Figma. Where is Figma? Okay, add it inside. Let's see, let's see. Oh, yo. Okay, not bad, not bad. Pulling back a little bit. Let's set some alarm. See nothing. APA also not done. Fuyo. ARW because of earnings. Dump a lot. Oh, bio after earnings fly up. Open earnings is next Tuesday for you. The very first is it? No, it's not the first earnings. Okay. No idea where it will go. Wingstop also nothing. Nothing. AI, nothing. Miss BGL, what is it doing? Oh, it went down below already. Okay. KR, nothing. Okay, call with also not done yet. I'll set the alert again. BBAI, nothing. MVST. MVST. Wait. Okay, no alarm for this. I'll set the alarm. And ear. Nothing. Everything is dropping down. Even circle is also not done. KTOS. SMR. Hello, Cherry. Hey, Cherry, you joined inside the group already or not? Are you in? Oh, no, not yet. Okay. Go and download the app, okay? Called Discord. And then because if you follow the instruction, right, you will come into the group, and then you will see all these channels beside here. Yeah, so the moment you come in, right, there's this important news. Yeah. Okay, I think I turned off the fast global. Yeah, I turned off the fast global news already. So only left with the important news. You can see whether you want to mute or not, but because it gives you all the very important, updates on the market. So if you feel that it's too spammy, you can actually mute this channel. Then the rest don't mute, okay? But one more you can mute, maybe the live stream chat. You can see whether you want to mute or not. Because sometimes how come? How come these few days? Okay, sorry. Yeah, so this important news channel, right? You can decide whether you want to mute or not, because it can be quite laggy. Can you hear me? Hello. Is it better now? Hello, my friends. Hey, really? My internet. What happened? Come on. What happened? A bit choppy. Yeah. Why these 2 days? I think there's something wrong with my internet. One moment, guys. One moment. Hello. Is it better now? How come I keep getting this reconnection? Is it better? Let me know, okay? Better. Yeah, because sometimes my daughter, what's that called? The yellow color cable, she likes to plug it out. Hey, market open thanking. Okay, nice. Is it dropping a lot? Nope, not dropping a lot. Tesla went up a little bit. NVIDIA chopping around. AMD chopping around. Apple is good. How come why keep reconnecting? Meta, Google. Okay, Google going up. Meta somehow still in the same area. Netflix A, Adobe. Adobe going down. Yeah, my daughter, she likes to pull the yellow colored cable. Oh, I don't know what's that cable called. She'll walk, then she'll just pull the cable. Yeah, the yellow color one, the yellow color one. Sometimes I tell you, I record video, record. Then after that, because she pulled that cable, I lost my connection. I have to re-record the whole video. I'm like, okay, never mind, it's okay. She's young. Yes, that cable is very fragile. So she pulled until it's so loose that type, Right now, she just tuck a little bit, the whole cable will come out. Yes, that one got the click one, So she walk, open the cabinet, pack, pull the cable. Because I don't know what is that called, modem or router. That one is quite high up. It's the yellow cable that thing. That one is very, very low. That's why she can just tuck the cable. Okay, SPY is still dropping, my friend. Are you nice, Palantir? Tanking down, Palantir. Come on, drop more. Okay, I might want to exit Palantir already. Let me see, If it's coming down so aggressively, I might want to exit. Hey. Okay, I'm inside my account now. Okay, not bad. Palantir is not bad. Let's see whether it can tank even further or not. SPY is going down quite aggressively. Tesla also possibly. Oh, you didn't short that one, Okay, no problem. Rick, there will be plenty of chance that market won't go down in, one straight line. Some more, Monday got earnings, so right, maybe I will get out either today, if not, Monday. After market open for a while, 1 hour or something, I will get out already. Lulu, sure. Lulu. Yeah, don't worry. Definitely will have more chance to short. Okay, Lulu. Okay, earnings still far away. Okay, bro, I think you just be careful. I think likely, maybe 180175 area. Lulu possible can reach there. I do think that maybe you will see some relief rally here, unless Lulu is very strong, then you still start to see the upside. If not, likely you will see a bit of relief rally before it starts to dump. UNH. Wow, today a lot of people ask me about UNH, like really seriously a lot. UNH, I think you can prepare that it will go down quite a lot. UNH, let's see. Monthly chart. Yeah, UNH, you can prepare maybe the lowest. I think it will go to roughly about $200. Then, yeah, I do think about 200, 220 might be, quite a high chance for it to reach there. Yes, correct. SPG, SPG, let me see. SPG. Yeah, SPG might be quite difficult though. Monday, after market close got earnings. So I think SPG, you just leave it out for a while. Which will rebound. I think a bit of relief rally, at least a bit of relief rally. And then after that, then you see what it does. Yeah, if it's a relief rally, then I think likely there's more downside. If you have a huge impulse to the upside, then that will be extremely good. You see more upside. Crowd. Okay. Wait, SPG. You are thinking about looking at the structure at the end. Yeah, this area is a little bit complicated though. You're looking at ascending triangle. Okay. Not bad, not bad. It's possible. Yes, it's possible. What you draw over there is good though. Yeah, but because of earnings, right, we need to be a little bit more careful. Not buying. Okay. Can your drawing is okay. It looks good. No, Richard, I never buy fig though. I never buy fig. By the time the thing IPO, I went to bid already. Do you buy, Richard? So should I buy more to get the rally or exit? It all depends on your risk, my friend. Yeah, because for me, normally this type of stock, the first thing that I do is skip lah. I won't try to, pick the bottom. Couldn't already. Okay. Same lah. By the time we sleep already, how to buy? How is fig? Okay, fig just now pre-market I saw it was, pulling back a little. Okay lah, perfect lah, pulling back, okay? Fig is pulling back. Fantastic. Let's wait for a little bit. Maybe I will be interested to buy. Okay, fig alarm triggered. Right now, I'm not too sure. I will wait for a little bit more. No rush. Marvel. Okay, I want to manage, since we only left with Palantir, right? Let's see whether I can manage or not. Okay, Marvel also coming down. You want to exit with lesser loss. Richard, tonight got many counter to buy meh? What you want to buy? I look at the market like nothing to buy. Only everything is short for me. Okay, for earnings, right, it doesn't matter whether they beat earnings or they miss earnings. Most importantly is the future guidance of the earnings. That's what I can tell you. Just read the future guidance and you will know where it will go to. But as retail traders, right, the moment we see that future guidance is already over and done. Reddit. Reddit earnings is good. Nice. Yeah, so for earnings, every time you don't have, whether it beat or miss, it really doesn't matter. It's the future guidance. Wow, SPY still dropping Nice. You want to exit with lesser losses. Yeah, but because the overall market is also, I do think that the overall market is going for a larger correction already. So likely, do think that Lulu or that will also, do quite badly. Or most of the stocks, they will do quite badly. Oh, this move in SPY is crazy though. I will wait. Yeah, if you want, you can try to short or something, but then I will wait for a setup first. Yeah, somehow today is Friday. Friday, quite difficult to tell lah. That's why today I don't intend to stream for very long. Because today likely I won't do anything, I guess. I just want to exit my short position. Nice lah, Palantir. Congratulations. Okay, let's take some partial profits. Now. Okay, take some partial profits. Congratulations, Palantir. I love you. Boy, 95. Okay, we take 50% off, okay? Fantastic. I love you, Palantir. Okay. Nice. Okay, I closed already half. So the other half, later on, I will decide whether I want to close off or not. Yeah, Xue. Yeah, you can decide whether you want to take NVIDIA short or not. Intel I exit already. Intel I have a long-term investment. Back then in April period, I think I bought here. I can't remember. I think I remember was the April period I went to buy Intel. And then after the earnings, it was not performing well, so I exited everything. Because Intel, right, based on how it moved, easily can go to about $14. That's why you see I set the alarm at $14. When it comes to $14, maybe I'll be interested to, buy a little bit or something. Rick, you mean buying a longer expiry on SPY as in you are buying a call or a put? Because if you are buying a call, I wouldn't recommend you to buy for a long time also. Because a lot of times, right? Oh, okay. I think you also will buy a put because it's weird to buy a call right now, right? Yeah, I wouldn't recommend buying for very, very long because if you look back at historical data or SPY, right, normally the correction doesn't last very, very long. So you can see this one lasts like 20 days, 22 days, then this one lasted like 24 days. So normally I like to buy about 1 week, 2 weeks. Normally I buy 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yeah, 2-3 days ago, yes. 2-3 days ago, if I buy, I will buy maybe like 2 weeks. Within that 2 weeks range. Then after I will exit quite fast. Like right now we have this drop, right? Possibly maybe, if you can buy a few contracts, I will at least minimally I will exit about 50% already. Oh, 49. Okay, 49 I think I analyzed it already. I won't be interested in it for quite a long time. Because how it's developing, I can tell you there will be quite a high chance that FTNT can come to maybe about $90. $90 before it will start to have some sort of reaction. So possibly, coming down here, maybe just chop around and then starts to go down even more. If not, come to about 90 before you get a huge rally to the upside. So FTNT, I will definitely leave it out for a while. MU I have a zone. Okay, this zone is reaching already, huh? It's about 101, 101.2 to about 98.2 around there. Then after that, possibly, right, you might see some reaction. Possibly might be a good buy. But then I won't, because of this zone, then I will go and buy. I will need to analyze first when it comes into the zone. Yes, Starlight, if you are interested, to learn alert wave, feel free to join me. Then, yeah, if you come into the group, you can see that we already started shorting the market since yesterday. So Palantir is one of it. It's fantastic. Fantastic trade. Nice, man. I like it. 2688. And then I will add you into the group for about 2 years. So I will guide you. I will guide you. Whenever you have questions or that, feel free to ask. Okay, you can WhatsApp me, ask inside the group. Usually all the students, they tend to ask inside the group, so that, everyone can benefit from one question. Then if you know something that is more private, more sensitive, you want to talk to me one-to-one, feel free to arrange any one-to-one consultation. It's unlimited within these 2 years. Then so once in a while, maybe every 2 weeks or something, if the students, they want Q&A or that, we can definitely arrange. So far we have done one already. I think it will come pretty soon. Another one. Short meaning to say I'm looking to sell the market, so I want price to go down. I want price to go down, so I make money when the stock price is actually going down. But then to short the market, you need a margin account. If you're using a cash account, you cannot short the market. Only a margin account. Oh, EMD also pulling back. I love it. NVIDIA, yo. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, no rush lah, no rush. Really, no rush. This correction, I don't think it will be done quite fast. Likely, maybe it will last for at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. The only one that I really interested to short was Meta. Just now pre-market, I was looking at it. It didn't fulfill my criteria just by a little bit only, so I decided to give it a skip. Microsoft. Did I miss any questions? Let me see, huh? Yeah, I love Cherry. I hope, I give you very good advice. Okay, I'm not a institutional trader or something, but then because I use Alert Wave. Alert Wave is fantastic. It will help you to forecast where the market will go to. Okay, so far I think I never... Okay, so far I answered everything. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm a retail trader only, but then okay, I think I don't want to say this. This one is not nice. Because I have an institutional trader friend, and then he always tell me about this and that. I forget about it. Okay. UPS. UPS. Oh, you're stuck. I ex UPS are so not into it and stuck. Where do you buy UPS though? Yeah, but if you're in UPS, right, I think possibly when you break this low, likely around $81 to about 75 area, I think you will see some sort of relief rally. Yeah, then after this, right, you need to monitor this. Yeah, you need to monitor this part. If not, possibly from here, you can start the huge up move already. Oh, you few months, about 130. Okay, 130. I think 130 still manageable, still manageable. So possibly the relief rally might, come to 130. I think not that difficult, but we'll need a few months. Definitely a few months. Because UPS is not a fast moving stock, it moves quite slow. What is that? Huh? ULTY. ULTY. Okay, is there any chat that I missed? Okay, so far no. Okay, good. ULTY, right? Okay. Is this the correct one? Oh yes, it's correct. My god. Yeah, bro, this one I can't advise you too much. The only trend you can see that is very clear is a downtrend, right? So do expect more downside. Yeah, and right now it's also coming down a little. But then 4 hours. Let me see, 4 hours. Okay, this part looks quite interesting, huh? Also quite possible. Maybe it can come to about 580. 580. Hopefully, you start to see that rally to the upside. This one is UMAX stock. What is that? Is there any different? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, the dividend is high, huh? High meh? Doesn't look very high to me, leh. You see, the dividend payout the last time is 0.101. You divide by the current stock price. Okay, we divide by back then, the stock price is around here. So let's say it was about $6.22 times 8, no, times 100. The dividend is about 1.6%. So times 4 is, it's high, it's high, it's high, it's high. Okay, it's high. Weekly dividend, really? Weekly, really? Weekly, Well, 1 point something is high, is high. Okay, this one is really, really high. Okay, if 1 point something, 1 year we have how many weeks? 56 or 52? I don't remember. 1 year, how many weeks? Okay, let's see. Okay, 52. You times 52. Brother, 1 year 84%. This is high though. This is super duper high. Okay lah, this one you hold for 1 year plus, you make back all your money already. Just buy. Okay. Oh, interesting. Interesting stock. I have never seen this before though. My first time. Oh, you coin UMAX. Hey, can you give me the ticker? I want, send inside the group. So later on I can go and take a look. Alex, I'm just, trading. I start a brand new 100K trading account. So right now is at about 113,000. So last month I'm up about 13% plus. Then I'm showing everyone my live result, like how I grow this 100K account. Then I also have a trading course. So I will be doing, everything live over here. So it's also for the benefit of the students. So, whenever they have questions, they can just hop on to live stream because I live every single day except for Saturday and Sunday. Okay? So they can come here, come and ask questions, clarify their doubts. Whenever they need help, there will be someone there. Easily accessible. So even if you WhatsApp me all that, I tend to reply quite fast. Okay? So if you're interested to learn alert wave, feel free to join me. I like the stock in the ETF. Huh? Shiro, what do you mean by that though? Weekly dividend, really? I'm shocked the weekly dividend. Okay, interesting. Very, very interesting. Maybe I also can buy a little bit, huh? Just hold for 1 year plus. I think 1 year, okay lah. Benefit of doubt lah. Give it 2 years or something, you will definitely make back whatever you put in. Then 2 years later, maybe you start making money. 6%, not 6% a year. Like after that, you make about maybe 60 to 80% a year. That's like fantastic, bro. Alex, I focus more on swing trades, but I teach you everything from day trading, swing trading, position trading, and even investment. So it's a whole comprehensive thing. So even for myself, I do mostly swing trading a lot, a little bit of day trading, position trading. I think the bulk of it is like 50% is swing trading, then the other 25 is day and position trade. Then long-term investment, I'm using a cash account. So stocks like, Nvidia, because I bought on the April 2025 low. So I have like 100% ROI on Nvidia already. So these are the things I do where inside the group, you gain access into the group for at least 2 years. Then after that, you will see everything that I buy. Yeah, because if you all want to know more about the course, can drop me a WhatsApp text. I will send you a file. You go and read through. Also with a video. The video will explain about the whole group, your whole access and everything. Then after that, you can decide whether you want to join or not. Only some, most is monthly. Monthly is also not bad, right? If monthly the dividend is high, it's still worth it. It's still worth it. But then is the fees expensive or not? Oh, you get back 50% already. Oh, not bad. Oh, Rick, you look at some very interesting thing. I have never ever looked at such instrument though. Yeah, I teach main. Okay, if you want to know about the content of the course, right, you can go to my website. My website is johnsonpang.com. As of right now, I have about 73 lessons. Then you just click on learn more. These are all the lessons inside. Okay, I teach you 3 different type of strategies. So the first one is called price action strategy. So by using this, you have a very, very good understanding of the market already. But then if you want to be able to forecast the market, you want to know where the stock will go to, roughly which price, which level, okay, how to pick the top and bottom, when to be aggressive, when to be defensive, right? That's when we dive into alert wave. Okay, just on price action strategy, I have about 23 lessons, okay, 23 video lessons. Then after that, you already have a good idea how to trade the market. But, to hone it to another level where you can forecast where it can go to, right? You will be learning alert wave. Just alert wave itself, I have about 28 videos already. I'm still adding in. So by then, I think about 30 plus. So just to teach you how to forecast the market, how to pick the top and bottom, I spent about 30 lessons to teach you that. About how to trade the market all that, right, you already learned in the price action strategy. And I'm still adding more videos. I'm going to add smart money concepts into it also. So I'll teach you, how to use things like order block, fair value gaps, liquidity sweep, market structure shift, and everything. So those smart money concepts, they need to use in combination with alert wave. Without alert wave, it's pretty much useless. It's really useless. You will see a lot of AVG, a lot of OB, but then all of them doesn't hold at all. But alert wave is the main strategy. My God, Apple dropped so much. How my meta? Damn, I should have shorted it, pre-market. Okay lah. No worries, no worries. It's still early. Market doesn't move in a straight line. Okay, I'm still thinking, possibly maybe today I want to exit everything for Palantir already. BLX. Okay, finally a big move to the downside. Possibly, I really think that, we are heading into a larger correction already. And then, yeah, we will definitely have more short opportunity. Okay, this month I think most of our profits should come from shorting. Yeah, guys, also, if you haven't followed my TikTok, go and follow. Actually, today I wanted to post my last month result, but today I was helping a lot of people, really a lot that time. I think almost at least 15 to 20 of 15 to 20 people texted me, asked me how to manage this position, how to manage that position. I reply until I go crazy. So I was very tired already. I'm so lazy, to post the result for last month. So I think likely I'll wait until at least maybe tomorrow or something. Then I'll post it. But it's not like really a lot. Last month I make about 13% plus. Initially was about 18%, but then this week I took some bad trades. And then was too aggressive lah. That's why I gave back away maybe about 4% plus. But no matter how, overall, the whole month is still positive, which is good enough lah, good enough. For me, my target is quite small every month. I'm just looking at 5% growth. 5%, I'm happy already. Then if you want to see my past performance, right, you all can go to Instagram. Because Instagram, I can save everything as highlights, so it will be there forever. But then for TikTok, I can't because TikTok haven't opened that access to me. For me, okay? So I cannot save it as highlights as of right now. Oh, any good trades? Just now I was looking at MasterCard, right? Let me see. Where's my MasterCard? Oh, Hazel, today no time, huh? Okay, can, no problem. Okay, I just tell her. Okay, maybe possible Palantir also maybe at trend line support, so it might be holding up a little bit. Okay, we still got a little bit more time. I'll wait until maybe 11 or something before I decide whether I'll close off everything. So guys, be careful, Palantir, if you want to short or something, just remember next Monday you have earnings after the market, closes. So to take this trade can be quite high risk as of this current moment. Yeah, so just now someone was asking about day trade, right? Yeah, Palantir was a day trade, okay? I took a day trade, I think somewhere inside this area. Then I converted it into a swing trade. But then I just realized, next Monday there's earnings for Palantir, so I'm going to close it off soon. But it's still like, a day trade convert into a swing. Okay, nice bounce for Netflix. Where's my zone? My god. How come it's... Oh, okay. I think because just now I use it to make a video, so the zone is gone already. Okay, no problem. Okay, nice. Wow, Rick, have you finished the whole course already? If you finish already, go and look at the last two videos that today I just uploaded. is fantastic. I look at how Netflix is doing. I'm like, wow, amazing. Because I use Netflix, to teach you how to forecast the market. APA alarm triggered. Okay, let's see. Okay, just be a little bit more careful. Wait, let me edit. I need to type again. Okay, a lot of things are coming down. Lemonade also coming down. CCL leh? Oh, CCL thing even worse. My god. Okay, CCL looks good. Next week, if we get some consolidation, some pullback, we can start shorting CCL also. Upstart. Okay, usually when the market hang and then if I'm not wrong, just now I take a look at IWM. IWM doesn't look like, yes, IWM doesn't look like it's going to hold. So those small and mid cap stocks, next week y'all can try to look into them. Likely they will tank a lot faster than those mega tech stocks. Okay, congratulations, Rick. Okay, Rick, not bad. I see the way you send charts all that. It's getting a lot better, really a lot better. Yes, correct. But then you look at market, you scared or not? Yes, that's the thing. That's why I do think that, the triangle might turn into something more complex. So it becomes a complex corrective structure instead of your regular, triangle. Yes, but a firm I think is not a triangle, right? If I'm not wrong. At least, you can see a C flat inside here. Yup, it's not a triangle. At least you see a C flat. So here, maybe you get some consolidation, pull back a little bit, we can start shorting already. Good job, my friend. You see, just purely using Wave, you already know where's the next direction. And when you go and watch that Netflix video that I upload today, right, I think you'll be a bit amazed, huh? Even whether it's earnings or what, you still can forecast the direction. But so far, recently all the earnings, I think the only one that I didn't forecast very well is Amazon. It's only at Amazon. Because I thought, earnings, it will spike down after it goes up and then it will come back to around the same level. But it didn't. It tanked down even lower. But then this is definitely not an ending diagonal because we have no confirmation. How's Tesla? Okay, Tesla totally negated already, huh? Tesla, we get a consolidation, we can start shorting now. Short to about 250. Amazon, yes, Amazon dropped a lot. It was out of my expectation, really, really out of my expectation. But I can tell you for sure, this one not ending diagonal. I went to check everything already. I go and look at all the structures and all the internal structures inside. It's not a valid ending diagonal. Yeah, but over here, I do believe, we will see some sort of relief rally before it starts to tank. Amazon is a good stock. I love it. I love it. Yeah, so if you always like wonder why after earnings it tanks or that, right? Uh, okay, let me show you, huh? It's very easy, okay? Whether it beats earnings, miss earnings, it doesn't really matter. Most importantly, right, if you read this, it says that AWS revenue grew to grew to 17.5% to 30.9 billion. But most importantly, this is the sentence that you need to read. But Q3 income outlook fell short. But Q3 income outlook fell short. So this is the only sentence that will dictate where the stock will move after earnings. Yes, it's really a gamble because for retail trader, by the time, trust me, you go and monitor the news, go and subscribe to them, right? By the time when you saw the future guidance, right, it's gone already, really gone. The moment the news come out is right here. Market can close here, but the moment the future guidance is out, it's here already, right at the bottom. Because I have tried it a lot of times when I was still, a new trader. I wake up very, very early just to monitor earnings. I see so many times that I give up already. I tell myself earnings are all speculative. Bro, how are you, Mr. William? I'm fantastic. I shorted Palantir. I'm making good money. I don't have long positions. I have zero long positions. Yeah, yesterday, those that come to live stream, I already told them, I told everyone, just be careful. The market doesn't look right. Looks like it's going to hit for a larger consolidation. William, are you here now when I say that? I think you're here. I just tell everyone, just be careful. The way I analyze the market, it just doesn't look right. Really doesn't look right. That's why yesterday I started shorting. How's your Baba? Your Baba okay or not? Let's see. Baba, I remember you bought Baba call option, huh? You got book profit or not, brother? Okay, Baba still not bad, even, China cut away their stimulus package, but then Baba still holding up quite well. JD, Futu. Yeah, Futu is dropping. TCOM dropping very badly. But then Baba is holding up quite well. Don't want say liao. Okay lah. Your Tai Lo never help you, man, Mr. William. Yes, Richard, market has been rallying too long. Yes, correct. About 4 months already. Full 4 months. Correct, right? April, May, June, July. Yes, full 4 months. Yes, the whole market turned around. Luckily, I'm out of everything. I think next week will be more interesting. There will be more opportunity. Right now, today just give it a skip lah. Today there's nothing much to do. Whatever trade you take today is like a coin flip though. Microsoft, okay, pulling back, very, very nice. Adobe. Oh, your Tesla turned into ash. My Tesla also out liao. View 你 get Tesla, be careful 250 quite possible already. Okay, coming back up this plan there for you. What is Liu? Liew. What is Liu? Liao. Oh, Liao. Okay, Liao. So weak Tesla. Possible, it's quite possible. Based on Elliott wave analysis, it's really possible. When you start to understand Elliott wave, those target that I mentioned, it sounds ridiculous, but then, maybe you can just write it down or something. Someday, it will reach there. That's why you see the course itself, I spent 30 over lessons. You already know how to trade using the price action strategy. But then I spent another 30 over lessons just to teach you alert wave. Because alert wave is a super advanced concept that uh, there's too much things that you need to know before you can forecast really, really well. A lot of times you see me over here, like, I look at the chart so fast and then I forecast here and there. A lot of people think that it's a joke, but then it's really not a joke. I seriously know where is it going next. Just by using alert wave. Okay, Walmart is doing well. Consumer defensive are doing well. Usually in times like that, the consumer defensives, they are always the strongest. Yes, William, wait for a big pullback. Then after that, we can start to, go into the market again. Yeah, but before that, I would like to, short. If I can find some opportunity, I will try to short. T should be okay. What is T? T. What is T? Oh, AT&T. Okay. This one is T. Okay. Yeah, this stock should be okay. But this stock moves very, very slow though. You trade it. I don't have so much patience to wait for this stock. That's why I normally, I don't look at it. Because I feel that it moves too slow. Hello, Hazel. Nice to see you. You got find any good trades for us or not? I need to leech on you already. I'm running out of idea. I think Hazel shorted a lot of things. I got a feeling Hazel shorted a lot of things. Correct? Am I right? Oi, Figma dropped down to 110. Okay, I didn't see it. Okay, no problem. I'm thinking whether should I use a cash account to buy or not. I think I'll wait for a little bit. Wait for a little bit more. Okay. First day of the month, Hazel up 5% because of all the shorting. Yes, Rick, can. Today I also don't intend to live stream until very long. Because really nothing for me to do. You can see right, the whole market is one straight line only. Nothing liao. Even for APA likely, although it triggers already, I will wait for 5 minutes or something. Possibly 5 minutes, we get a nice structure, we get in. The R will also be very, very good. Because this one is a huge structure. If APA breakout this is a huge, huge structure. Okay, earnings next Wednesday, bye-bye liao. My god. What makes me want to short Palantir? William, I have a full set of strategy. When I analyze the market yesterday, I keep scanning and scanning and scanning. it just doesn't feel right. It does, you know, too many criteria fulfill already for me. That's why um, I do think that after yesterday, the market will start to tank. That's why yesterday, after I saw that, I exited some of my positions. Then after that, I started shorting. I don't know you hear or not, you know. Yesterday, I keep scanning again and again and again just to make sure. You know, because too many things, too many of my checklists being checked already. So once that happens, normally I will start to short the market. Because for me, right, shorting and long doesn't make a difference. The most you short, you pay a little bit more interest. So because you see, right, market go up is also opportunity. Okay, this is something that you can make money. When market tank, you also can make money. So don't have to restrict yourself. When market tank, you just short. When market, go up, you just long. And another reason, the most simplest reason is that SPY went up for 4 full months already. Full 4 months. It has not done any major retracement. Just a very, very small one along the way. Yeah, so if you just look back at, the past 4 months, there's no major retracement. All these corrections, they are way too small. And just by using Eller wave, you also know that, the wave structures is completed already. So likely we are expecting a larger correction. I hope this can help you a little bit. They are quite difficult for me to explain alert wave over here because the concept I need about 30 lessons just to teach you everything. Because I can give you a very, very simple example. Let's go to this chart. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, we just look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you can look over here, right? You have a sharp move to the upside. And to everyone, right, this is something like a bull flag. Am I right? But then in alert wave, we don't see this as a bull flag. We read all the internal structures within it. What is it developing? How it's going to develop? How long it's going to take? That's why a lot of times you see when I take trades, right? My trades usually the moment I take, they fire off really, really fast. The reason is because we read the internal structures of the corrections. We study the corrections. So once we have a confirmation that it's done, we will take the trade. Within a short while, it will just fire off. So same thing, this is just a very simple three-way structure, okay? And then we come to here. What if I tell you, you look at this, this is also a very simple three-way structure. But there's a huge difference though. You look at this. Both are simple three-way structure. But what's the difference? This is the part I teach you very in-depth how to read all of them. Because all the students here easily can tell this is a three-way structure, likely Bitcoin is done, possibly can fire off already. Yes, for you, you can only tell me, okay lor, this one is shorter in time frame, this one is longer in time frame. But why? But although one is longer, one is shorter, but can you really understand what is it doing inside or not? The reason is simple why you study the correction. Because when you understand correction, what comes next? Look at this, a huge impulse. So what do we want to do? We study the correction. So once we know the correction, we write the next impulse. So this is how alert wave works. So a lot of times you see me waiting because I'm reading the corrective structures. The impulse is not important because the moment you know how to read the correction, the next thing that comes is an impulse. I hope you can understand a bit better. Okay, NVIDIA looks like trendline support possibly, but then we have to wait until next week. Oi, but then they're going back already. My god. Okay. Wait for a little bit more. Okay, I have already shift to break even, so nothing to be afraid of. Maybe we can also, tighten up the stop loss a little bit. I'll just shift it to 156.8. So at least, can secure a little bit. Ticker, where is it? 156.8 lah. Where is the Joe? Hey, Hazel, today you up 5% already, is it? I look at you, I got a feeling you shot a lot yesterday. The moment you look at the market condition, I think you really go short. Short like crazy. You got up 5% or not today? 3 to 5% have? Maybe okay lah. Congratulations. Nice. No. Okay, whatever about tariff, right? There's no solid data as of right now. You need to wait for at least 2 months. 2 months later, then the real impact will come in. Yeah, market dropping right now is normal. It's very, very healthy because market, has been going up for full 4 months already. And it has not done any meaningful correction at all. Day one, she already done with the month. Yeah, I got a feeling, yesterday I look at his, I don't know why, I just feel, she will go and short a lot of things. Nice. I already got W, my friend. I never W. I only W, I think, was today, what day? Today, Friday. I W on Tuesday and Wednesday. But then yesterday, I didn't W. Yesterday, I also wanted to short them. Because Wednesday, I think Tuesday and Wednesday, it doesn't look like it's done though. Even Amazon, you look Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Tuesday and Wednesday is here, like how to short? That's why that time I doubt you. I really like can short me. But yesterday was different. Yesterday was really different. Yesterday all the matrix hit now. The checklist ding, go for short. My God, first day of the month, 3 to 5%. Wow, powerful lah. Hopefully, next week I can make 3 to 5%. But next week, I think likely also Monday, Tuesday, likely not much of a trade for you to take. The next one that comes might be Wednesday or Thursday already. And we can take a look at the economic calendar. Yes, Hazel, find more and send us, okay? You see, these are all my soldiers. They go and find trades, I leech on them. You close a lot now. Okay, nice. Next week, not much of no high impact news. So it's good, okay? It's very, very good. Share thanks. Only the group member can have access, my friend. Wow, Hazel, you sent in so much already. Okay, nice. Okay, okay, I like it. I like it. Nice. This is what? Why you want to short the second stock? Is there any reason? Subscription USD 8 per month. Okay lah, if you want Hazel signals, go and join her. 888 USD per month. Okay, this one looks interesting. No, the 2688 is for the cost. Is for the cost, not for the signal part. 2688 is for the cost. You'll be inside the group for at least 18 months. So when you're inside the group for 18 months, you will see everything that Hazel posts. Sometimes she finds very, very good setup. Really good setup. She gave me a setup, I think CCI or something. The RR is super high. I think about 1:6, I think. She can hunt for trades very fast. You give her 15 minutes, she can send you, every minute I think she will send you one stock. And then just vet through, it looks good to you, just take it. Okay. I understand now. You see death cross. Okay. Yeah, possible. Sometimes, after the death cross, it can be quite weak for a while. Okay, good job. Nice. Oracle also looks delicious. Yeah, Oracle also looks delicious to me. A lot of those mega tech, they look extremely delicious. Delicious for shorting. Yeah, even AMD also looks delicious. NVIDIA also looks delicious. See, remember, just now I also sent in a chart, right? AMD, I tell you, why no rush to go and short it? Yeah, if you're, go and look at the chart that I sent, you'll understand why I didn't short it, didn't short NVIDIA already. Yes, hood is nice. Yes, correct. Fantastic, Hazel. Fantastic. Okay, I need to write down more already. I need to write down somewhere. Let's see whether MA is still correct. MA is still okay or not. MA is fine. Okay, so maybe not bad. Okay, we write down the whole list. My first time see Hazel draw a flag pattern. I want to laugh. Your APPN. Okay. Tank down. Okay. Yes, Rick. When you never shorted the market before, because you never shorted before, you always use a cash account, right? When you come into shorting, you will tend to be a little bit scared. But I can tell you, shorting and long is exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. Nothing, no difference. And when you shorted the market long enough, trust me, you will love shorting more than longs. You know why or not? Because shorting, out of a sudden, when the market is weak, right, there will be some catalyst or some news that comes in, and then it will tank down even more. So, you know, you will be so happy. The next market open, you look at your account, right, you're like, wow, that huge gap, you will be like, wow, really wow, when you shorted long enough. But because 70% of the time the market tends to go up, then 30% of the time it will only drop. So that 30% of the time when it drops, right, sometimes you do, see a news or a catalyst that will just suddenly push the stock down by a lot. Then you will see this type of move, this type of massive drop, that kind. Out of a sudden, just overnight, pump, it just go down. No, give. Nothing wrong with your flag pattern. Just that I never see you draw before. I'm just amazed that you draw a flag pattern. Is this pocket option? No. This is the US stocks, not pocket option. Okay. Go and draw their flag pattern. It's nice, you know. Then everyone can learn from you. And don't need to kanchong lah. Today nothing much already. You look at the market. We are almost an hour in, and it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Just now pre-market, it moves too much already. No worries. Whatever you find, right, we save it down, and then we will start to look for opportunity next week. Yes, but affirm, be careful, huh? Affirm easily you can tell, right? Possibly there will be more downside. So even one spike down, one spike up, don't go buy it, huh? Yeah, don't touch first, huh? You all understand the structure. Yeah, this is a dangerous one. Adobe, Adobe. Yes, I'm still looking at that ending diagonal though. I'm not too sure whether it will fulfill or not. Yeah, this one I have to check. Wait, let me check. Because if it's an ending diagonal, we'll definitely pick the bottom and buy. Yes, it's possible. It's still possible. It looks quite good as of right now. Yeah, possible is still an ending diagonal for Adobe. Yeah, if we do get that confirmation, we'll pick the bottom to buy. It should be quite a huge trade. I like it. Oh, Hazel says short but then I'm looking at the ending diagonal. So possible it might be an ending diagonal and then we can try to long. Yeah, unless you get a consolidation, then you can try to short also. You will short it down from the you short it down to the purple line, huh? But like not much distance already, right? Let me see purple line. Okay. Uh, it's quite possible also if you do that. Some intern at a hedge probably getting ready to load up on more shots. Same, my friend, I'm also loading up on more shots. Okay, guys, I will go to the washroom for a while. I come back in, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. See you shortly. Okay, I'm back. Mr. Pong, you will have to trade according to your own trading plan already. Yeah, because for me, likely I'm looking for shorts instead. Okay. TSM, I'm also looking for shorts. Yes, same. Nice. Okay, let me connect this one moment. Yes, same as me. Nice. QCOM also nice. Okay lah, next week we will have a lot of setup. Really, really nice. I like it. Thank you, Hazel. Thank you for your hard work. Okay, I'll write down everything. NXP. Yeah, quite possible also NXP. Nice. Here, NXP. Wait, is this the correct one? No, right? Is it correct? Yeah, no wonder I look at it like, how come it's so different? Okay, should be this. Yeah, it looks good though. It looks good to shot. It looks very good to shot. The way structure is beautiful. Okay, I will write down again. When can shot? Likely, I think next week, my friend. Yeah, but all this you take at your own risk, huh? Yeah, MU definitely. Yes, MU is late already. MU late liao. Yeah, because that time I wasn't, confident even going for longs or short. MU is definitely late. And it's entering the zone very, very soon, huh? Yeah, today I added, one video teaching you guys about FVG, which FVG to use. So this is the valid FVG. It's reaching already, so not much meat left. But the rest you send, I think is nice though. Yeah, next week should be quite a lot of opportunity liao. Okay, we try to see this month, new month already, right? Yes, new month now. We see how much we can make again. Okay, remember, start with your new account balance, calculate based on the new risk. So you'll be, compounding every single month. Oh. Wow, Apple came down quite aggressive today. Yeah, I will definitely try another round for Intel, but definitely not now. The the first reason is because they just changed a new CEO. I traded quite a lot of stocks that just changed CEO, right? Normally they take around 1 year later before they start to perform. Because I have a friend, he's a certified chartered financial analyst, and then he works for a bank as a trader. So he taught me some macroeconomics and fundamentals of a company. So he taught me how to read balance sheets, all that, right? He was the first one that introduced, taught me the idea of uh, when you analyze a stock, not just purely on the fundamentals, not just purely on macroeconomics, but you also need to analyze the CEO and CFO. So that's the reason why I do think that Intel recently they just changed a new CEO. You need to at least wait for 1 year. He showed me many examples. He's quite a good trader also. So he was the one that taught me, all the fundamental knowledge, all the macroeconomics. Then so far it's working well. It's really working out. I remember I bought one of the stock because a change of CEO. Is it? No. It's not UBS. What's that? What's the bank called? Well, I don't know how to spell it. How to spell Deutsche? Deutsche Bank. Anybody know how to spell it? My God. This stock. Okay. What's the ticker? Ticker. My God. What is the ticker for this stock? DBK, is it? My God, there's so many. Yeah, it was quite a long time. I think it was during COVID period or something. If I'm not wrong, if I'm not wrong. Okay, we can go and do some research. Ayo, how to spell? My God. April 2018. So we go back. April. Is this the correct ticker? It doesn't look like the correct ticker though. My God. Which one is the correct one? Never mind. I just use this one, okay? So about max. April 2018. Yeah, so it was doing around this period. I try to zoom in. Can I zoom in even larger? Okay, so April 2018. Yeah, so somewhere here when it was still trading about $11, and then you look 1 year later, right? This one is like, this one is 2 years. I remember it was during the around COVID period, and then we went to analyze this stock. We bought right at the bottom during that COVID period. So he also told me usually after a change of CEO, it takes about 1 to 2 years later before the company will start to perform. And after that new CEO come, for you see, from about maybe $5, right now it's about $28 already. But then back then I was just doing a little bit of trading. Then I get out quite fast. I think within the short few months I'm out already. So that's why I also think that, for Intel to perform, we will definitely need to wait. That's why I'm thinking Intel, if possibly, right, can come to about $14, I might decide to buy some. But I have to see, what it does over in this area first. Because based on how it's developing, possibly it can even go lower though. Maybe $7.50, also quite possible. So $14 is like the minimum, then $7.50 is like the maximum range that it should be able to drop to. You just sold, or what do you sell, my friend? Oh, Intel okay. Okay lah, not too bad lah, not too bad. Yeah, if not, just now you maybe, you can wait for a little bit of relief rally or something before you start selling also can. Yeah, because for myself, I got out with break even. Maybe it lost about 2 to 3% because I bought, right around here. No, right around here, is it? Where did I buy? I think maybe here, either here or here. Then after the earnings, I got out already. Waste 4 months of my time for for negative 2 to 3%. What the fuck? What time you streaming until? I think going to finish soon already. Maybe another 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and I think more or less that's it. Yeah, today really nothing much for us to do. We have to wait. Be patient, okay? And then we take very, very good RR straight. Okay. Go, my friend. Go, pong pong. Expanding ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Hazel, which part are you looking at the expanding diagonal? Is it from the all-time high, then after that to the current data? Expanding expanding leading diagonal, is it? Are you looking at the leading diagonal or ending diagonal? I think you're looking at the leading diagonal. How come I cannot type? Okay, let me see. Expanding leading diagonal. I think unlikely this is a expanding leading diagonal. Yeah, I think you can open up MACD to check. I don't think so. I also can't remember what chart did I see an ending diagonal already. Do you remember? Oh, you just watched the video today. Okay. I can tell you for sure is that those expanding diagonals, right, whether it's ending or leading, they are a little bit more rare. But then the normal leading and ending diagonal, they are quite common. That's why I was trying to pick the top for, Amazon to short. But then it just didn't fulfill the criteria. If not, it's a super duper good trade though. Remember, right, that time I tried to short one time, I think here. And then over here, I can't remember whether did I short or not. But because of earnings, all that, so no choice lah. But then this one, it looks like an ending diagonal. But MACD didn't give the confirmation. So possibly the view negated already. Yeah, sometimes structure it looks like that, but then you need MACD for confirmation. If MACD doesn't give you the confirmation, try not to pick the top to short. I've been, I keep monitoring it over and over and over again. I just don't see that structure. Yeah, maybe over the weekend I'll go and read again. Possibly, maybe I miss out something. Yeah, but even like that, right? Without using MACD, the way I look at how the corrections is developing, I don't think they are of the same degree. So likely it's not an ending diagonal. Because usually ending diagonals they are beautiful. The structures within it right there, the corrections, they looks almost identical that kind. Come on, Amazon, consolidate more, okay? Give me an opportunity to short. Yeah, guys, market is dead, yeah. Not moving anymore. Google is also not moving. Oh, Microsoft is beautiful. My God. Oh, Microsoft went up so high. Weekly. Oh, fantastic, fantastic. Wait, Microsoft still don't want to announce stock split. It's getting more and more expensive though. Sophie. I think look for shots. Look for shots. Okay? For the time being, at least maybe I think for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, Netflix. Netflix definitely need to stock split. It's super expensive. Wow, I look at the options, I also don't dare to pull trigger. One contract is $5,000 though. Sometimes 5,000, sometimes 7,000. Can go up to 8,000, 9,000 per contract. It's crazy. Yes, Netflix definitely needs to stock split. Netflix really very expensive. Meta, I hope it doesn't stock splits first, okay? Meta right now is my gold mine. I like to sell a put option. And you can try, Rick. Okay, don't try. Okay, don't try. Because what I do is that I can I can sell a very far away, strike price for Meta put option. Likely I won't get a sign. At the same time, the profit is not bad, really not bad. So for maybe 30 days, like that, right? For some other stock, I might need to buy a lot more before I make that same amount. Yeah, Netflix is too expensive already. Netflix is really, really too expensive. Even for me, right? When I look at it, I also got a shock. I want to risk like 1% of my account. I can only buy 2 contracts. Then I look at, okay, forget it. Yeah, but then okay, Meta you need to buy a super far away strike price, really far away. But then the returns is really not bad. I tried a few times, it's really quite nice. I think last month I tried 2 times or 3 times, I went to sell the put option for Meta. It's really not bad, not bad. I like to sell around 15 days to 30 days. And not bad. One contract I make about $15 to $20. It's really not bad. And not one contract, one shares I make about $15 to $20. So, by expiry I make about 1,500 to 2,000. It's not bad. It's not bad. And my strike price is very far that time. That time, okay, Meta, that time it was around this area, right? This area. I remember last month, I sell 2 or 3 times. It's around here, okay? Maybe from somewhere here all the way until here, I sell like 2, 3 times. And then I just, put a strike price at 680 to about 670. So it's quite far away. So likely I won't get triggered. Then after that, every contract is about 1,500 to 2,000 around there. Yes, not bad, right? Not bad. You see, so such a far distance, you still can make about $15 per share. It's really not bad. But okay, some market condition I think you can play, but some try not to. Unless we start to see very clear consolidation, we can understand the wave structure already. That's when you can start to play, because at that time Meta this area it starts to become more and more clearer. So I started to do that. Initially, like all this area, I don't even sell options. I'm scared though. I don't know how far it can drop to. HPE can HPE. Sophie, yes, Sophie look for short. Yes, correct. Look for short. I think the last time is mid of the month or something. Maybe by the 3rd week of July or 4th week of July, I stopped there. Recently, I haven't sell any put option. When market pull back, maybe I will start to sell a little bit. I do notice the moment I sell a put option, it takes up too much of my margin. It's quite wasted though. Okay, it was which month? Okay, last month was July. It's June. June, it was a very good month, but I was not up a lot. I think I up about 8 or 9% around there. The reason is because I got not enough margin to buy stocks, because I shorted too many. I sold too many options. Options you make here a little bit, there a little bit. But then when you take away your margin and the market starts to fire off, right, you're holding to the options, you don't make a lot. So June, by right, I think I should be able to make more. But I go and sell too much put option. Okay, diagonals are HPE. Okay, Hazel, where do you see that diagonal? Which time frame? Let me know so I can, zoom into there and identify for you. UNH and Lulu, I won't advise to look for short unless you get a consolidation. My god, how come so jam again? Hello? Wait, super duper laggy again. My god. Okay, I see live chat. Uh, I don't think so. I don't think so. That one doesn't look like a diagonal. Ah, okay, okay, can. Yeah, diagonals they are also a little bit rare, but if you can spot one, it will be fantastic. I pick a lot of those top and bottoms because of using diagonals. And because of diagonals, right? I noticed on one instrument, and I somehow, when I saw it developing, the rest of the stocks I become really bullish or bearish, and then that's how I normally, try to pick the top or bottom to buy and sell. Cause the moment you see one diagonal, right, usually the rest of the stocks, more or less around the same time, they will also start to tank together. They will start to tank together. If not, they will start to rocket out together. No risk, Hazel. But so far, I see the charts you post are not bad, not bad, really not bad. Okay, CSCO. Yes, definitely can go for short. Really can go for short. My god, very laggy again. HPQ. HPQ or HPE? HPE, let me see. My god, my. Okay, wait. Let me go back to desktop. How come so laggy though? See my mouse jam. Hey, don't lag leh. What happened again? My mouse is jam. I got a feeling it's my second monitor. Every single time is the monitor. The moment I go there, everything jam. I already have a very powerful desktop though, really powerful desktop. But I think because the frame rate between my second monitor is different from the main monitor. Yeah, so that's why every single time when I mouse over to the second monitor, right, when I come back to the main one, it just suddenly like. Yeah, I already bought a new monitor, but then I'm so lazy to fix it though. And then I need to buy one more of the what the monitor arm. I need to buy an extension. It's too short already, my current one. Yes, HPQ, let me see. Yeah, possibly for a short. It looks quite good though. Yeah, although my here it looks is a bit jam. HPQ. Let me see. Yeah, it looks good. Fantastic. Yeah, wait for a pullback and then maybe can start to look into shorts. Yeah, right now it's better again. Okay. Not sure what happened. What thing Adobe. Okay. Broke EMA 20. Yeah, HPQ if you do see some consolidation, possibly can go for short. But if you ask me, right, I do think that the other one looks nicer though. HPE. I think HPE looks a lot nicer. Oh, okay, can. If you're comparing between HPE and HPQ, right? Which one to short? I do think that HPE looks a lot nicer. Yeah, next week we are going to have a lot of setups already. So from there we filter, then we choose the best ones to short. Yeah, this HPE definitely looks a lot stronger for a short than HPQ. Yeah, if you ask me to choose between these two, right, I will definitely choose HPE. The wave structure is clearer, is cleaner. It looks so much better though. Really so much better. Even if you do simple things like just put on the trend line, you can see already it starts to break out. Okay. Good job, Hazel. Good job. Okay, looks like I need to add even more. Let me see. Okay, this one's still alright. Okay, let me add even more in. Yes, normally I will always wait. I won't, yeah, for me, I will wait. I know Hazel, she don't wait. Okay, she will just jump in. Yeah, you see, remember the video? Just now, I also sent a chat into the group. So you see why I didn't shot. Where did you go to? Nowhere. It's still at the same level. Just wait. No rush. You don't have to trade every single day. You just need to take quality setups. This is something, this week I think this week, yeah, this week, I didn't practice that very well. That's why, this week I gave back 4%. But then, overall, the whole month is still good, about 13% plus. If not this month, by right, I should be up about 18% already. The month of July should be about 18%. Wow, really, Hazel? You put $1 stop loss, okay. IBM, okay. Hey, Cherry, you come into the group already or not? I think I haven't seen you, right? You don't want to join in? IBM, yeah, I think you also be a little bit more careful. Okay, after earnings, okay, big earnings tank, be careful lah, be careful. Yeah, if you need help, you can ask me here right away though. It's actually quite easy. You just follow the instruction, you will be inside already. Yeah, it's just a simple 2-step only, and you get to assess everything. I think can be done within 5 minutes. Okay, IBM, all I can say is that just be careful. Really, really careful. Big earnings doesn't show signs of recovery. Possibly can dump a lot more. Yeah, even for IBM, when I look at it like that, I'm more interested in short also. Yeah, Cherry, do you have a margin account or do you use cash account only? Cash, okay, okay. Then, okay, after you go through the course already, try to go and open one margin account also. Not sure how to open. Is quite okay. Right now, what broker are you using? Then for your margin account, try to open with another broker. Okay, Momo don't allow multiple account with within Momo. But then interactive broker they allow. You can have 2 account, 3 account, 4 account, 5 account, no problem. Yeah, if you open with Momo, maybe you can choose Momo as the margin account, and then interactive broker you can choose it as a cash account, and then you can split your funds. See how you would like to split it. So you can continue, doing long-term investment, and at the same time, you can use your margin account to trade. Because margin account is important when the market starts to tank. Because without a margin account, you won't have the opportunity to short. You don't have, the button for you to short the market. This Rick finger itchy wants to follow Hazel, huh? Actually, not bad, not bad. Okay, her entry is really not bad. If you like to, you up for the risk, go ahead. But her stop is very safe lah. Her stop loss is very very safe. The moment it breaks there, right, the whole thing already negated. This Hazel trying to psycho rig to shot together, push the market together. Okay, Figma. Yeah, Figma, I'm waiting for that pullback though. Don't know whether it will pull back or not. Hey, it's pulling back, it's pulling back, okay? Relax, relax, relax. It's pulling back, it's fantastic. It's nice. But right now, I still think that there will be more pullback. Okay, so don't FOMO and jump in first. Relax. There will be much clearer sign that when it starts to go. Right now, there's no sign at all. Yeah, I'm even on the 5 minute chart though. Yeah, 5 minutes. Wait for a little bit more. Now yesterday IPO at about $84-$85. Okay. Hopefully we see Figma go all the way down to maybe, don't know whether we'll go below $80 or not. If we can see that, that will be the best already. Yeah, Rick, no need to consider, just short. $1% only, no need to scared. Now Rick starts to have second doubt already, whether should he short or not. No, really, her stop loss is very, very safe. Really, really safe. The moment you get trigger, it's like you are so wrong that type, then you will, get triggered. The stop loss then will get triggered. TSM. Yeah, because I want to place a much smaller stop loss. So I will wait. I want to place a stop loss like maybe $3, $4. Okay lah, guys. The market is very, very boring, okay? So any last questions? If not, I will end the live stream already. Today really pretty much nothing to do. Everything just go down in one straight line. Then you guys can have an early rest. Go and enjoy with your family. And have a good weekend, guys. I forget, today is Friday, right? Yes, today is Friday. Okay, guys, so no more questions. I will end the live stream. Thank you so much for coming. Okay, I will see you next week. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, guys, and good night. Bye bye.